are my Cinderella sneakers. Oh, that's a good word, right? Cinderella sneakers.
Hi, I'm Michelle Valentine. For over 20 years, I've been traveling the world and educating the public by writing and speaking about sociology, psychology, art, and travel. My new educational travel TV series, Love, Eat, Travel, is about destinations from around the world and about the people that love to live there.
Now it's the seasons of these ones. You can catch them about on the 8 and 10 meters.
I love people, and having them share their stories allows you, the viewer, to learn about the history of current and past generations.
And as you can see, they rebuilt again the bridge. Everything was rebuilt the way it was, even if it's new.
Hello.
Hello.
Buongiorno.
Hello.
Buongiorno.
Travel helps us to open our minds about diverse people and learn about their unique culture and what makes this world go round.
So where do you get your inspiration on the designs?
This is a copy. This is in the Vatican.
In each episode of Love, Eat, Travel, I love trying and sometimes cooking
A lot of butter.
new foods and drinks and sharing these delicious experiences.
A very fine red meat seasoned with Ethiopian spice.
Okay. Ooh. Actually, I'm having a whole table full of pinchos. Now, you may be familiar with tapas, the word tapas, the United States.
We'll go off the beaten path to discover beautiful art, gorgeous parks and beaches, in heartwarming animal sanctuaries. Plus, follow along with me on exciting, heart-beating adventures. So whether you're ready to escape by traveling in person or from the comfort of your home, watch Love, Eat, Travel with Michelle Valentine and fall in love with a new destination.